Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix TikTok for your page on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down here to looking for here apps. We will click here on apps, then we come to next window here like you say. You just go down here to looking for a TikTok app here in this window and you can only search for it. So we will find it, we will click here on TikTok and we come here to next window here like you say. You just click here on for stop and you click here on OK and you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.